Hello guys, this is your friend Adagio Densetsu, and now I'm pretty excited to show you what we got. Let me put right here this one. I'm just gonna set up. I just grabbed from Amazon different extra accessories for the cam because we need to improve, right? We need to improve all the time to bring you the best videos. So I'm gonna show you guys that I got the LED light and camera CN Lux 360 from Newer. Also, I ordered a BBTR 0.43x professional wide angle lens because I really need it. I really need this one to shot better on the home. I also ordered an extra batteries from Power Extra because I'm kinda just tired to have 1 hour of video, but I wanted to have more, so you will see we have a different. Thank you. Thank you, car. Lithium ion ultra high capacity. So I'm gonna be using this one, and as well I got from the best gift for you, Sidio, I don't know what it is. And also I got this one. So pretty much like a point at shooting arm. So just really wanted to show you this, guys, and hoping to have better videos for you, so you can also have the best quality that you deserve, guys. Okay, so I just wanted to have a quick video on this one. We're gonna go one by one later on, and just saying hello guys, see you later, bye bye.